Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our Indosoft Web Studio SCADA. So in this video I am going to I'm going to describe about you how you connect your Indosoft Web Studio SCADA to RS Links OPC server, which is OPC server. So I am going to show you. First of all, you will see my RS Links OPC server is already created, and I am just going to show you that our OPC server is created. Now I'm going to show you how you connect to your OPC server. So here is my simple project. Now I'm going to communications, and you will see here is my OPC DA, because RS Links supported OPC DA. So we are going to connect with OPC DA. Now I'm going to insert an OPC, and I am going to browse, and I am going to select Niazi Chani, which is my PC also, and I am going to name it, you will see, RS Links OPC server. I think both is now created. Now I am going to make a tag. So I am going to making a tag, going to project and project tags, and you will see I also created some tags, but now I am going to delete that, delete line and delete line. I am going to create an again. First tag I am going to insert a tag, and I am going to name it manual, and it is boolean, which is my that tag. You will see manual, and I am going to again another tag, which is my set point tag. So you will see I am going to align another tag, and I am going to insert a tag and name it as set point, and I'm going to select it real and OK. I think my both tag is now created. Now I'm going to enter as sheet 1. Now I'm going to enter a tag, which is, you will see, my manual tag and my set point tag. Now I'm going to enter an item. So you will see my F8 column 4. I think I'm going to show you that F8 column 3 is my set point tag, and I'm going to close that F8 column 3, and I'm going to enter that. Sorry, I don't need that. I'm going to enter that a bool tag, and I'm going to my B3, and I'm going to select B/0. So what you will see, that is our address B3, which is, you will also see B3 column 0/0, our manual. And I am going to select a set point, and which is, you will see, our F8 column 3, and now I'm going to save that, and I am going to close that and that also, and I am going to link it. So you will see I am just again make it for you. I am going to task from graphics, I am going to symbols, I am going to select a button. You will see that there, like that, and I am going to link it. You will see I am going to link it with manual, and I think it will link. Now I am going to select numeric entry, and like that, and I am going to also link it with the set point, and I am going to close that. You will see that both has now linked. Now I am going to save that and start a simulation. So you will see I am going to enter anything. You will see 6.0, which is our that. So you will see it is 6.0 there. If I am going to change that to 5.0, and I am going to show you, you will see 5.0. It is now decreasing. If I am going to make it off, so you will see it will off. Our manual bit is now off. Now I am going to on. I am going to show you it will on. So I am going to make it again off. So you will see it will again off. So that's it. That's our lecture of Indosoft SCADA connected with OPC server of RS Links DA. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icons, and don't forget to watch my lectures on Facti.io, Indosoft SCADA, Ignition SCADA in the descriptions. I give links of those and my contact WhatsApp, which is for queries if you have any queries. So I think thank you very much again for watch my video.